Welcome to Knowledge Ocean. Today we will study about passive voice. Let's study the difference between active and the passive voice, how we make sentences in the passive voice. When we use an active verb, we say what the subject does. She cleaned the room yesterday. When we use a passive verb, we say what happens to the subject. The room was cleaned yesterday. How to change the active to the passive voice? They invited 100 people to the wedding. Active. 100 people were invited to the wedding. Passive. Active invited, passive were invited. How we make sentences in passive voice? Be plus verb participle. Here are the examples in various tenses. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.